Before we start editing photos, I'd like to show you some very useful tools. Let's start with the ruler. Here you go. The ruler allows you to take measurements of your working space. You can, of course, change pixels into centimeters or another choice from the list here. When we talk ruler, we talk guidelines. You click, drag, and you have your guideline. It is very useful, especially when you have web work. Here you go. To hide these guidelines, you go View, Extra. Here you go. You can, of course, choose here, change your guidelines position, or lock them, or even delete your guides. Let's look. Now you cannot change the position. Now let's hide all of these. Control H, Control R. Let's talk about the action box. Let's say we have layer here. I will create rectangular selection. I will fill it with foreground color. You can, of course, change it or go back to default or even switch. Alt delete to fill my selection. Let's say I have guidelines. Here you go. Okay, number 5 guidelines. I have my square here, and I want to duplicate it 5 times. I will duplicate the layer once, change the position while maintaining Shift. Now I want this action to be repeated at least 3 times. What I will do, Control Z, is to record this action. Create new action. I will create a separate folder. New action. Record. Now I will duplicate the layer, then I will move it, maintain the Shift to get straight displacement, then I will stop. Now let's play it again. Here you go, your action repeated. when we talk actions, we talk automatically history. It allows us to save all of our actions. You can choose previous action manually or press Ctrl Z to go back. Ctrl Alt Z to go forward.